Here's what the mess looked like before, and here's what it looks like now.
Done it wrong.
What the? Who's done it wrong? What?
Brilliant. It's the wrong
mean
side.
that's not 900?
It's the wrong side. It's 900. I've just
What,
the
the wrong
pattern's
way?
on 90 degrees wrong.
The final piece of the jigsaw is going in. Alex!
Turn it around.
I've got some mates down to help us out in the unit. We've got these shelves here. They're in absolute state. They're not my shelves, they're Matty's shelves. He just tends to come down, dump stuff on them. So what we're going to do is we're going to fix one of the top cross members, which is bent out of shape. We're going to make some shelves out of this wood. All the pallets are going. They're taking unnecessary height off the actual shelves. So we're going to get rid of those. We're going to take it all down, organise everything into storage bins, put it all back up there, and hopefully we'll have some space for some more stuff afterwards. And it just feels like once this is done, the unit will be tidy and we'll be able to get on with some proper projects. Oh, there's one more thing I almost forgot. I'll be back in a minute. Safety first. I knew you'd appreciate this, Alex.
I've got I've got 3 hard hats as well.
I've got hard hats.
No, I don't want one.
You don't want one?
No.
You have to wear one of these, though, I'm afraid.
Oh yeah.
So have a look. What size is that? Wait a minute, there's only 3.
Yeah, there's only 3 of us here.
Well, that's good, yeah.
But I ordered 4. Right, okay. Medium.
Thank you.
Yeah, it just feels better having these on because we are all moving around in a small space, you know what I mean?
Right, ladders.
Are you going top shelf first?
Top shelf always.
What are you doing, Alex? Are you going to
We'll help this get down and my jacket.
Why don't you just get on with the shelves?
Right,
Alex, you've gained weight. Right then, introductions. Strolling in fashionably late, fresh from his morning dip in the local reservoir, is Rick. We pulled pints together when we were 18 and have been best mates ever since. Then there's Alex. You might have seen him in a few of our other videos. We've been mates for 25 years, ever since we survived our first year at uni under the same roof. And finally, perched precariously at the top of that ladder, is Craig. He lived in the same halls as Alex and me at uni. And somehow, we're all still here to tell the tale. Alex is an engineer and an absolute car nerd. Out of the 4 of us, he's definitely the OCD one. He takes his time, does things proper, and won't let you get away with cutting corners. Rick is in marketing these days, but his real passions are downhill cycling and surfing. He's also got chronic back pain, which is why you'll see him mostly standing round with his hand in his pockets throughout this video. Craig, also an engineer, though currently jobless by choice because he's building an extension on his house. He's the sort of bloke who walks into a pub and makes friends with everyone in there. And then there's me. I like to think of myself as an artist and a creator, though technically I'm a graphic designer and a company director. As you can probably tell from the massive grin on my face throughout this video, I just love being around my mates. Some might call this hard work, I call it a cracking day out. You know what Matty said about the shelves?
Which shelves?
These?
Yeah.
Most of it's crap. Just get rid of it.
He said, my main concern is, when you've tidied it, I won't be able to find anything. Here's the cross member from Matty's racking. The fixings don't line up with the uprights, so before we can stick the shelves on, we need to sort it. There's been plenty of head scratching on the theories on how to bend it back into shape. But luckily, we've got Matty's man-sized bench vise. My thinking? If we give it a good squeeze between the jaws, it'll soon see sense. So while Alex cracks on with the shelves, Rick, Craig and I turn our attention to wrestling this thing back into shape. Yeah. Whoa, That is heavy.
Is this the thing that was in my unit? Isn't it?
Wait a minute. Lift it up a little bit, Craig.
You'll have to, I can, okay.
Yeah, there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rotating the, yeah.
Right. I reckon
Alright.
we have a look at it.
Bent it dropping it, but it was straight before that.
I couldn't hold it.
I think that might do it.
Alright?
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
I think that literally will be fixed.
Let's see if we can put it back up then.
Right. That's bent back into shape. Let's see if it actually fits now.
Pass me the tip. Right, come out.
Popped.
Popped out.
Oof.
Back in.
Back in.
Do you like that? No.
Yes, it's not too bad. Pass the tape measure, Alex. If you don't mind.
This isn't held in at all. Pass me a hand. I'll just
What do you
knock it
mean?
down a little bit. Well, the three prongs are through the holes.
But it's not down.
Better.
Yeah?
It's not all the way down, but if
It's
Get
enough.
some weight on it.
It's enough
Eh?
that it's going to nip it.
Yeah, still in.
okay.
Yeah.
That was much easier than I thought it was going to be.
Right.
If you count the holes.
Yeah.
It wouldn't go in if it wasn't. It'd be
Yeah.
Would it not?
No, it'd be short, yeah, no.
It's so out of kilter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
You need the
Come on then, where's the shelf? Huh?
Shelf?
Where's the shelf?
Come on,
Well,
Alex.
it's coming, it's coming.
Love it when a plan comes together. With that sorted, it's time to crack on with more tidying. Though Rick's just unearthed something interesting from the depths of Matty's Mountains of Mayhem.
Do we need his diary 2022?
You can
there's
read
some,
it,
there's some
then
big
extra.
reveals
That's what
on
I
it,
mean.
but you know.
What's he got to say?
So it's mainly quiet, but there was one day that he did write something. There it is. There it is. There's some good content here, mate.
What does it say? Long Moon Social Club.
Yeah, Norton Le Willows, something west.
Nothing exciting.
Favourite
then.
dogging
Dogging
spots. Yeah.
Inside.
So do we bin this? Do you just
bin it.
exec decision it?
Do you want to move these ladders out, Pete? That's a job that needs
I
doing,
always
Pete.
thought you had short arms.
Do you not read reach across there? Go on, straddle it.
Huh?
Yeah. Like, foot up. Come on, like you're playing snooker or something.
Well, I might get on
Get
it.
your leg up.
I reckon I could get on it.
Rick,
get on
get
it.
behind it. Rick,
Like lying down like this.
hold
like,
his waist, Rick, hold his waist.
There we go.
With those cross members fitted in place nice and parallel, it's time to get the first shelf on. Alex has got the measurements, so let's give this a go.
We got it?
Ish.
No, I haven't.
That looks comfortable.
Done it wrong.
What the?
Who's done it wrong? What?
Brilliant.
It's the
You
wrong
mean
side.
that's not 900?
It's the wrong. It's 900. I've just
What,
stuck the
the wrong
buttons
way?
on 90 degrees wrong. Bring it back. Bring it back.
Come on, where was your plan you
Alex,
were working for, Alex?
25 years an engineer. Did you do that on purpose for YouTube?
No, not at all. That is a genuine.
There's like only one
Genuine
measurement.
error.
Yeah, Alex is getting red. It's authentic.
There's only one measurement, Alex. Come on.
Come on.
Unbelievable.
Right, the jacket's coming off now.
I'm hot.
Getting serious. I'll just take this opportunity to say please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Only 5% of you watching are currently subscribed, so need to get that number up.
Oh, Alex, beautiful.
Cut that first one out. So like it's not going to slip off, is it? It like tilts. You know what I mean?
I do feel as though I've poked a little fun at my absent unit buddy, Matthew. The truth is, he's not here because he's seriously camera shy. But he's a top mate, always ready to lend a hand with my projects, as long as there's no lens pointed in his direction, of course.
If you're watching this, Matty, these little terminals you were telling me to buy on the internet yesterday, I've just found the bag on your shelf, so thank you very much.
And now for the final shelf to go on the racking. This would have taken me days on my own. So if you lot are watching, massive thanks to Craig, Alex and Rick for mucking in. I couldn't have done it without you.
This is how the Europeans work, isn't it?
Quickly.
No, one person doing all the work and 3 people stood around going, see.
Well, if we were British working, we have a few more cups of tea.
Yeah, true.
Oh!
It's a good job you're not a bigger man, Alex.
Good.
Nice.
Nice.
Gonna come and film the last bit, Dan? The final piece of the jigsaw is going in.
It's too big.
Alex!
Turn it around.
Turn it round.
Yeah, because that's going to make a massive difference. Big.
Do it here. I'll trim a bit off. That's... You've missed just...
Fair play. I didn't notice it.
I hit it. Oh,
There we go.
Well done.
Thank you. That's one, Craig.
Alright.
Sorry, this will get my OCD.
Perfect.
Nice.
So what actually is to go back them, but
Ready to go on?
that's it.
Those bits of wood may as well stick up those there somewhere.
Loads of space.
Yeah, there's loads more space.
So there you have it. Here's what the mess looked like before. And here's what it looks like now. Hard to believe we've compressed all that into such a small amount of space. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And until next time, bye bye.